at TGS's 5-Axis Fair in the Czech Republic, and David here is the Technical Director. I wanted to kind of understand your role. So what is it that you do here at TGS?
Yeah, I'm responsible for the technical things in the TGS. I'm responsible for nice teams of the technical people in the TGS, and of course I try to keep our creativity minding in the TGS.
So how many people have you got in your team?
Yeah, actually now 65 people in the technical departments of the TGS.
And are they working all over the country for you, or is it based in one location?
Yeah, we are responsible for the Czech and Slovakia usually, but mainly in the Czech Republic.
So talking about technical and creativity, which you've just mentioned, you have an inquiry come in. What do you do with it, and what is different to now to what you did many years ago?
Yeah, especially now, there is necessary to discuss about the task on the beginning and make the description of the idea of the customer. And what is not standard in the TGS, our technical people are able to speak with the customer, visit the customer, and I think that I can say that they are a little bit the sales guys in the end. So it's nice, I think.
So your technical team are ultimately selling for you, and you're not just shifting products. What you're saying is you're adding value earlier on in the process.
I think that it's not too common to speak about the functionality on the beginning for the machinery project. So this is our adding value. We want to have user-friendly solution of the machine tools production unit for our customers.
So what is your ultimate goal? What would you like to say to everybody really that you can do and you do well at TGS?
Yeah, of course, we need to know the technical parameters. We have to be good technicians in the end. But on the other side, we need to be a little bit marketing people too and speak about the request with the customer. And sometimes it's not too easy because you want to have good technical solution and it can be strange to forget for the customers' needs. Yeah.
Thank you, David.